Robert Plant is an English singer and songwriter. He was the lead singer and lyricist of the rock band Led Zeppelin from its founding in 1968 until their breakup in 1980. Since then, he has had a successful solo career, sometimes collaborating with other artists such as Alison Krauss. He was the lead singer and lyricist of the rock band Led Zeppelin from its founding in 1968 until their breakup in 1980. Since then, he has had a successful solo career, sometimes collaborating with other artists such as Alison Krauss. Regarded by many as one of the greatest singers in rock music, he is known for his flamboyant persona, raw stage performances, and his powerful, wide-ranging voice. Robert Anthony Plant was born on 20 August 1948 in the Black Country town of West Bromwich, Staffordshire, England, to Robert C. Plant, a qualified civil engineer who worked in the Royal Air Force during the Second World War, and Annie Celia Plant, née Kane, a Romani woman. In 1995, Led Zeppelin were inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Rolling Stone ranked Plant as one of the 100 best singers of all time, and he was the top pick for the greatest lead singer in a 2011 Reader's poll. Hit Parade named Plant the greatest metal vocalist of all time. Plant was named one of the 50 great voices by NPR. In 2009, Plant was voted the greatest voice in rock in a poll conducted by UK classic rock radio station Planet Rock. Billboard ranked him number 4 on their list of the 50 greatest rock lead singers of all time. Plant developed a compelling image as a charismatic rock and roll frontman, comparable to other 70s contemporaries such as Mick Jagger of the Rolling Stones, Roger Daltrey of The Who, and Jim Morrison of The Doors. After Led Zeppelin dissolved in 1980, Plant continued to perform and record continuously on a variety of solo and group projects. His first two solo albums, Pictures at 11 and The Principle of Moments, each reached the top 10 on the Billboard Albums chart. With his band The Honey Drippers, he scored a top 10 single hit with a remake of Sea of Love, which featured former Led Zeppelin bandmate Jimmy Page on guitar. Solo album Now and Jen was certified 3 into platinum and is Plant's biggest selling solo album to date. Plant was born and raised in the West Midlands area of England, and after leaving the grammar school, he briefly trained as a chartered accountant before leaving home at 16 years old to concentrate on singing with a series of local blues bands, including Band of Joy with John Bonham. In 1968, he was invited by Peter Grant and Jimmy Page to join the Yardbirds, which Grant and Page were attempting to keep going after it had broken up. The new version of the Yardbirds changed their name to Led Zeppelin, and from the late 1960s to the end of the 1970s, the band enjoyed considerable success.